Hi everybody, we're in Bandon, Oregon. We came to see what all the hubbub was about. People told us we should come look. So we did. They have a beach. And we went and saw the lighthouse. Another one on the Oregon coast. This one looks pretty rough. That's about it. Right?
Yeah.
Apparently they normally have sea lions on this beach because there's warnings all over the place.
I don't see it, but I'm ready. You stay away from me, you sea lions. Is that what we're supposed to do?
I think so. That's what the sign said.
It's illegal for you to come near me. Don't come near me, sea lions.
Yeah, they should be reading the signs. We came down to the beach because we like the beach. And it feels like it's been a while since we walked on one.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
Oh, didn't we walk on one like when we went on the Hobbit trail?
Oh yeah. Feels like a long time ago.
Yeah, and it's been so long since we've done it that like we're kind of blurring everything together. Look at these rock formations out here.
Yeah, they're really neat rocks down here by this beach. We continued traveling south. We stopped in places that we drove through months earlier and wished we had time to see. As we drove south on the 101, the weather started to move in. We were forecasted to have rain. Our next stop was a week in Gold Beach, Oregon, and it rained.
Baby, are you still mad?
Yeah.
These people right here just pulled into the RV park. The entire RV park is empty. You are not assigned a spot here. You choose your own spot. The entire RV park is empty. These people circled the park, came back one more time, and chose the spot right next to us. And parked their truck so that it's almost hitting our RV. Why? I don't know. The spots beyond it are similar in size.
They almost backed into the Subaru too.
They almost hit our car. It's very interesting. I have no idea why they chose the spot directly next to us and wanted to park so close to us that they're almost touching us. But to each his own, I guess.
Better not have a porch light on all night.
Oh, yeah. I just finished my exercise.
People are dumb.
I don't understand what's happening, but yeah. Anyways, look.
Every spot past them.
Those are their spots. Oh, those are their spots. Oh, those are their spots. All the spots on the other side. But they just really wanted to be neighbors with us. Ryan doesn't like it.
In between storms, we decided to go out and explore. We drove down some of the gravel bars out on the Rogue River and looked for agates. On our last day in Gold Beach, we were packed up and ready to get in the car and leave when we decided to go look at what the storm looked like out at the beach one last time.
The after effects of the storm.
It didn't exactly go to plan.
Oh, Ryan.
Look out.
Oh, boy.
This is the aftermath. Okay, let's get you back in the showered. I just barely made it out. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go back. Time to get you rinsed off.
This is why you never turn your back on the sea. I'm always paying attention to the ocean, but I focus on some freaking foam for 2 seconds. That came in fast and hard. Oh my gosh.
So that was a little bit terrifying. Turned around and a wave came up over her head, like came up onto the beach and up over her. And so I ran back to make sure she was still there, because luckily she was.
I laughed kind of hysterically, and now I might cry just a little bit, and then I'll be all right. Look at how much sand is in my pocket. I was like, what was in my pocket? It's sand. This side got hit with a lot of, I don't know, my leg really hurts.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
You kind of got it punctured.
It got hit pretty hard right there. All right, well, I'm gonna take all of this off.
Okay, go take a shower. I will hook us up to water and sewer.
Of course, I got fully dressed before we went out. Like, I'm wearing a belt, which I never wear.
So sorry. I'm just glad you're okay for the most part.
Yeah.
Other than being shaken up and
Yeah.
a little damaged on the leg.
Yeah. I thought for a second I was being sucked out to sea.
That's what I thought too when I turned around and saw you get hit.
I feel really embarrassed because I'm always like a huge proponent of always keep your eyes on the sea. And I took my eyes off for 2 seconds, which I never do.
Technically, we were both watching it, and it didn't really look like it was coming that hard, and it hit a second wave, and then it shot in.
Really hard.
Sue got cleaned up and changed, and we are on our way to our last stop on the Oregon coast, Brookings. Hello.
Hi.
We're in Bandon, Oregon. Bandon, yes. And
Who's Brandon?
Brandon's Oregon. What else should I say? What are we normally missing when we do an intro for something?
I don't know. I thought what we did was pretty good.